Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I have a different kind of video. Today I'm gonna show you how to change the head trimmer. That's very easy to change because you don't need a special tool, you just need a nail, screw or something. So yesterday I broke it and I lost the metal piece on the other side that I need for to use it. And let's dive into video. Let's see how I change it.
So I read all the instruction and everything, so it's not that hard. You don't need any special tool either. You don't need a screwdriver or something. If you don't have it, it's okay. You just need a common screw, regular screw like this, or just a nail. So I'm gonna do it with this nail. So if you are able to see, there is a hole there right here. So I'm gonna put this nail in there, so it's gonna stop spinning the head. So when it's not locked yet, so when I put this nail there, it click a bit. See right there, if you heard that click a bit. So I'm gonna show you again. Okay, so I put this nail there and see, and you just it's locked now, and you just turn it like this. See, easy peasy, boom, right here. And so I'm gonna show you how to install a new one as well. So okay, so remove your nail now and see if you have something to clean here, just clean it and just go back there. And so here's my new one. So this is a pretty easy to replace. So I got some extra screw bolt as well, so but I don't need for my head, that's okay. I just need this plastic piece, so I'm just gonna change this one. So right here, you make sure you go, usually people complex with it like it is a counterclockwise, it's not clockwise. So it's a counterclockwise. So you, whenever you are putting it, installing it, you go backwards, not the other way, like this. Okay, when you go back, and then now you see this start spinning, this thing. Where's my other thumb is? So I'm gonna use my nail again to hold that area from spinning, so I can tighten this up. So I go back to the hole right here, if you are able to see, and I put this nail there, and okay, and it's ready. So it's not spinning anymore, so I'm just tightening it up as much as I can, and that's it. It's ready to go. Okay, my new trimmer ready. Let's. So that was easy peasy job. So this was broken one, like I'm missing this piece that fell off yesterday, and without that it's not usable. I'm gonna remove this string so I can use it in my new trimmer. But that was good fun too. That's pretty used, see, and it's really need a retirement, I guess, so that's why it's broken. So I'm gonna wash this one too. Okay, thanks very much for being here, and thanks very much for watching this video. Let me know in the comments how it looks like, and let me know your views in the comment, and I'm gonna try this one in your job. Okay, thank you very much.